friends, it's a fabulous morning and I'm going to put carrots on my face. 24 carrots, that is. I'm using this new face mask from Perfectly Posh. 24 carats nourishing face mask. Now this mask is pretty cool. It's kind of a 2-for-1 because it's nourishing. You're feeding your face with all the good nourishment, and it's also pulling out the icky, yicky gunk that we don't want in our skin with the kaolin clay. Creamy kaolin is blended with carrots, which are rich in antioxidants, and beta-carotene to keep skin supple and glowing, while sunflower oil moisturizes. Fragrance with spring blossoms and dewy greens apply to clean skin and leave for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse, clean, and follow with moisturizer, blah, 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 blah. Do not eat it. All right. It smells really good and fresh and clean. And I washed my face with our Show Off foaming face wash. This face wash is so good. It's great for sensitive skin and oily skin. And when you're doing a face mask, you want to make sure you have a clean skin to start with. So here we go, 24 carats face mask. I like to use a brush when I apply my face masks. You can use your fingers. I like to use a brush because it's fun. It adds to the pampering experience. It feels fabulous and fancy. Plus, you're not overusing your product. It helps you to get just a thin layer because that's all you need. This smells so good. Oh, it feels good going on. And look at that orange. Not really orange, more yellow. Oh, this smells really good. This reminds me of an older face mask called Kale Face that I was in love with forever, and I was super sad when it discontinued. I think I found my new favorite face mask. Oh, this is yummy. This is so yum. It feels so nice. I love masking. So good for your skin. Good for your heart and soul. Ooh, it feels so good. So now we wait 5 to 10 minutes. Let me check the time. And we just wait. We listen to music, or if you have to, you can go do some housework, whatever things that need to be done, because of course, we're women. We multitask. So you can do the dishes, fold some laundry, make your bed. I suggest relaxing and taking some me time for that 5 to 10 minutes. You can do it, and you are worth it. You deserve it. It's been 10 minutes. I'm going to wash off my face mask. I love this color. It's so fun. This is a fun one for face mask selfies. Okay. I like to kind of take the bulk of the mask off, just very gently with a warm washcloth. And then I'll go to the sink and finish rinsing the rest off. My face feels so good. This 24 carats face mask, I give it an A+. It feels very clean and soft and smooth. And I would say this is a very gentle face mask, even though it does have the kaolin clay in it. I would say any skin type can use this. If you are concerned about sensitivity, because we all know our skin best, and you're trying a new face mask, any kind, any brand, do a little test right here on the inner part of your elbow, and leave it on for the full 10 minutes, and then rinse it off just like you would on your face, and that will give you a good idea of how your skin on your face will react to a new face mask. So 24 carats, I'm going to start recommending this to everyone. It's amazing and fun for spring and summer, and it is exactly as it says. It's nourishing, and it's also detoxing and deep cleaning with that kaolin clay. The smell is delicious and fresh, and you are feeding your skin with all the good nourishing nutrients and antioxidants in this face mask. Now to finish up my skincare routine, I'm going to use the Defiant Uplifting Eye Cream because I want to pro-age my skin. This eye cream brightens your under eye, like amazingly brightens. I don't need to put any makeup underneath my eyes because they're already bright. And then I will finish off with the Defiant Naked Youth Serum. This will be my face moisturizer for the day. This is all I'm going to need. And this face mask really did put some good moisture in my skin. My skin does not feel tight or dry at all. And this Defiant Naked Youth Serum also tightens and brightens. Really brightens. It's so nice. So I am ready. I like to give my skincare a few minutes to soak in and do its job before I apply my foundation, my makeup. I always put any extra on the back of my hands. And I'm ready for my day, and I'm feeling so good. I really love this face mask. Masking is something that can really help fill up your cup, give you some extra fuel, help you feel good about yourself, and you'll have a happy day. If you want any more information about Perfectly Posh, all my contact information is down below. Please give this video a thumbs up. Hit that share button and share it with some of your friends. You can post it right to Facebook, and I would so appreciate that. That would help me so much. Subscribe to my channel if you're new so you don't miss any more Emery Posh videos. Don't forget to pamper yourself. Be good to yourself. Oh, my shirt's all wet. Have a happy day. Bye. Sparkle like a fairy with putting on the spritz.